Welcome back students. So today we are seeing third class term 2 English. We have seen the poem A Donkey. Now we will see the objective of this poem. In the objective type, our first bit is we have to complete the sentences. So we have read the poem in the previous class. Now we have to complete the lesson, complete these sentences. The little donkey's head was too big for its neck. Next one, his clear little coat was soft and grey. The coat curled at his neck in a lovely way. He looked so little and weak and slim. Our next bit is we have to fill in the blanks with a or a, an or the. So before going to fill these blanks, we have to see this. What is definite article? The, the is an article too. It is called definite article. We use the to talk about something or we have talked about before. So here we can use the to talk about something. Something means some object, etc. And we have talked about before. So here you can see the example. I bought a new shoes yesterday. So the shoes are too tight. So here in the example we have talked about before. So yesterday's matter we are talking about. So what is the matter here? I bought a new shoes yesterday. Here you can see we have talked about before. So the is using here. The shoes are too tight. So we have bought yesterday the new shoes. So today we are talking about the yesterday's shoes, that the shoes are too tight. We also use the before people or objects that are one of a kind. These includes here in this sentence we can use the before people or objects. For example, in reverse names, before the reverse names we can use the, and seas and oceans, mountains, ranges, some countries, famous buildings, holy books and newspapers, we can use the. Example, the sun rises in the morning. Who is the Prime Minister of India? So I hope you have understood this vocabulary. Now we will fill the blanks. The cake I had for my birthday was very tasty. I saw a bird building a nest. So here the Pacific Ocean is the largest of 5 oceans. So we have seen in the examples that we can use the in front of seas and oceans and rivers and mountains. So the Himalayas are very difficult to climb. This fruit basket has an apple, an orange and a banana. Samir made a model of a fort. So next bit, add the in the correct places in these sentences. So we have to add the in these sentences. So they are given incorrect sentences, we have to add the and we have to make the correct sentence. There is a huge dam across Ganga. So it is not a correct sentence. There is a huge dam across the Ganga. Which was first book you read? Which was the first book you read? Next one, who landed on moon first? Who landed on the moon first? Have you seen Taj Mahal? Have you seen the Taj Mahal? So here, who won prize for short story writing in your class? So the correct form is who won the prize for short story writing in your class. Next bit, write the opposite of these sentences. So they have given some words. We have to write the opposite of those words. Open, close, slow, fast, wet, dry, clean, dirty, forget, remember, start, finish, back, front, young, old, pull, push, dangerous, safe. So these are the opposite words. So I hope you have understood this objective, and today your homework is you have to write these definitions, definite article definition and this C bit. And next homework is you have to write opposite of these words. Thank you.